Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Let's do your love read now, the first for the month of December, and let's see how your love life's doing. So let's start with a little prayer. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, no reading starts, without an angel blessing card on this channel. So let's start with one card from my angels, see how they're going to bless you, and then we'll go on to your reading, which is going to be really exciting today because I'm switching it up to spice it up a little bit. So let's take the angel card first and then we'll get on to that. So my angels, spirit guides, one card for my Libra gang, please. All right, this one. Okay, let's take this, put the rest back, Libra. The card I have for you, Libra, is Miracle. Wow. Are you hoping for a miracle, praying for a miracle, or maybe a miracle is coming your way? So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always showing up and leaving such beautiful comments and for all your likes and shares. I'm very, very blessed for all the support you give to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. So newbies, I'll be setting down two sets of cards here. One for you, one for your partner. And in the center, we'll have your mutual energies, your guidance, expected outcome, etc. But we're going to this time start off the reading with a few dialogue cards, just to set the ball rolling and to see where you guys are at now. So that's going to be a new addition. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, you can email me at my email, which is in the description box below. So bottom of my deck, Libra, I do see the Three of Swords in reverse. So healing a heartbreak, which is excellent news, Libra. And then they have the card of miracle as well. So are you hoping for a miracle to heal your broken heart, or is this something you're actively trying to do? Let's see. Let's take some dialogue cards now from you to your partner or vice versa and see what you guys want to say to each other. One more from Libra to their person or vice versa, Spirit. What do they want to say to each other now? And yes, we will be taking doing a new love thing as well after this, so don't worry. So this could be new love. If it is, then we won't do it. If it's somebody old showing up, and for the people who are waiting for new love, we'll do that as well. So let's take three more cards from a different deck. Okay, so Spirit, one more for what they want to say to each other now. All right, thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Great. So the first card I have here for you, Libra, is you can't imagine how much I love you. You're the woman or man that every man, woman desires. I know that I can, that's slash, okay? You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the woman slash man that every man slash woman desires. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. So this could be somebody who's never really told you that they love you, Libra, or Libra, this could be a person telling you that they've never probably told you how much they love you, but they want you to know that you are the perfect person who anyone would want. And now they want to come forward and prove to you that you can count on them too. Wow, that's sweet. Let's see, second card. You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I have forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already and let's live our life together free from the past. No one is perfect. So I think this is the other person trying to tell their person that, okay, whatever happened in the past, let it go and let's just erase the past and maybe we can start again. And don't let your own self-worth or lack of self-confidence issues stop you from, stop moving ahead once again for the two of us. That is the second message. So now we have the third message. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close and I'm aching for you. Yes, these are two people in separation. Maybe one has never told the other that they love them because they didn't feel they were good enough, or there were self-worth issues, and the other one is recognizing them and saying, hey, listen, just cut it out and let's not waste time and just get on with it so we can begin our life together. Fourth card. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking on you, and it's only you. It's only ever you that makes me orgasm. Wow. So even though you guys are not together, and if you are with anyone else, Libra, or maybe this is your partner telling you that, Libra, that even though there's been a long separation and there have been other partners, whenever they are with anyone new, you got the gist of it, right? They're only thinking of you and getting off on you. But they haven't told you that. They haven't told you that they love you and they want to be with you because they are not confident that you will accept them back. But on the other hand, I see the other partner is saying, enough of wasting time, come already, like come towards me. Okay, so fifth card. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. So yes, you are apart, I think, right now. But there is love here. Sixth card. I can feel your frustration with not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down and get some thoughts flowing on paper to clear your head. So the other partner is trying to be a bit helpful here, Libra. This could be you who's getting frustrated at your person not coming towards you and saying, hey, okay, I understand. You don't feel confident enough to come towards me. You feel not good enough for me. So just write them on a piece of paper and send it. So either I'll respond or I won't. Stop wasting time here. All right. So this is where you guys are at. Let's see now where this is going to go. So the first card I have for you here, person A, is the Chariot in reverse and the Ace of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 10 of Swords, 7 of Wands in reverse, and the Fool. Okay, person B, the Empress in reverse, Hierophant, Queen of Swords in reverse, the Strength in reverse, 9 of Cups in reverse, and the 3 of Wands upright. All right, the story is pretty clear here right now. Maybe somebody didn't make a move when the time was right, when they should have had a few beginning. I think person A kind of stalled this new beginning, maybe because now what we hear from their message cards, maybe they felt not good enough for their partner, or they didn't speak on time, they did not go towards this brand new beginning which was waiting for them. They put a stall to it. Maybe they were confused at that time. Yes, they did feel a lot of love for person B, that's for sure. They wanted this new beginning. They wanted to have a fresh new start. They wanted to have this creative new beginning, but they stalled it because at that point, person A, Libra, this could be you, or this could be your partner, I don't know, but this person A was rather confused, or maybe they had many options and they didn't know which one to choose from. Yes, and this little bit of stagnation which happened of you not moving ahead with your partner here, I think this brought this relationship to an ending because the other person felt a bit abandoned and left out in the cold, felt as if you were rejecting them, and because of that, this relationship has totally ended now. Maybe there was a bit of a fight here. Yes, somebody was here playing mind games, trying to be, because they didn't have self-worth. What happens when somebody doesn't, respect themselves or doesn't feel good enough? They try and pretend to be stronger, bigger, win at all cost, say rude and mean things things so that that partner will feel. It's like, if there are two people on this level and one person feels I'm here and you're here, then this person will try and push the other person down so they can be higher, right? So that's what, because of their own self-worth issues, I think somebody created a fight and tried to win from their partner so they could feel like the victorious or the bigger one. But eventually what happened was, I think this partnership totally came to an end when somebody just stopped fighting for this connection altogether. Now this person is feeling very, very foolish. Yeah, now they have been stuck in their own space. They feel that things are totally over. Now they feel their partner, after whatever they've done, is no longer fighting for them anymore, is totally given up on them. Now they feel all this love and this partnership and this soulmate connection with their partner, but now they're feeling, oh my God, I lost it because of all my own foolish behavior here. Okay, so the Fool card, Spirit. Why is the Fool card here? Oops. They feel foolish because now they see their partner as their wish fulfillment. They know that this is my forever person. This is the one I could have had victory with. This is the one I should have been with for the long haul. This is such a lovely person who could have been my safety, security. This person is nurturing, loving, beautiful, kind. And what did I do? I just foolishly threw all that good away from my life because maybe because I had options, or maybe I didn't feel good enough, maybe I was trying to bide time, or maybe I created a fight, or played mind games. So now person A is feeling totally shattered and beaten down, reeling under the shock of their own mistakes which pushed their partner away from them. So let's see person B. Person B is the Empress in reverse. I think this is the feminine energy here, who's not feeling that they were given the position that they commanded. Yes, they were made to feel like one of the many, maybe. Now, Empress is one person, Libra. Empress is your card, by the way. Empress is one person that you cannot, this is not somebody you juggle. The Empress is the queen above all queens, and she doesn't demand your respect, she commands it. Okay, so when the Empress is not given the respect and made to feel like one of the many, this is exactly what this person did. The card is right here, the Seven of Cups. They treated, I think, this feminine as one of their many options. So when this was done, I think the Empress is in reverse now because of this kind of behavior from their partner, whereas I think what the person B was looking for was an emotional offer, and if nothing else, at least an apology, which I don't think has come. I think both parties are silent right now. Both are healing from whatever has happened in the past. There is a lot of anger and bitterness, I think, with this feminine right now because of this Tower moment which happened. They were expecting, I think, a commitment for a long-term partnership with their person. Instead, what they got was a blow-up of their relationship when they realized that they were being juggled or somebody was playing them and not giving them the respect, I think, that should have been given to this Empress here. So what was this Tower moment, Spirit? Tower moment. Yes, they, I think, got to know that their partner was not just working with them, but was working with many others as well. Okay, that was the Tower moment, which I think sealed the deal for this Empress, and this person B just kind of shut this chapter down and has gone, I think, very angry and very upset. This person B feels there is no more strength left in this connection anymore. This could have for them been a happily ever after. It had the potential of, going the long haul. They wanted to have victory with person A, but after this Tower moment, all it became was, instead of the 10 of Pentacles, it became the 10 of Wands, which was like a big burden to them. And now there is no wish fulfillment to be had for person B anymore with person A. That's how they feel. And they've kind of turned their back and they're looking ahead to see what else is out there. Okay, person A has kind of left, even wishing for person A anymore. They are waiting for their new ships to come in. They want to take back charge and take back control of their own life, and they're trying to transform it to have like a complete overall of their life and have like a new beginning for themselves. So yes, this partnership has gone wrong here, Libra. And for the newbies, I mean, sorry, the people who don't have anybody like this in their current energy, I will be taking out cards for new love as well after this, okay? So don't worry about it. So their mutual energy, the moon, Knight of Swords and the Four of Wands. Yes, Libra, this relationship doesn't seem to be happening right now. I think both are, I think, single. I don't see anyone dealing with anyone right now. I think both are single, but both are hiding their feelings, not sharing, they're coming towards each other with any kind of feelings right now after this fight that's happened. There is a lot of planning and plotting going on though. There is a lot of thinking of what is next to come. So what's this Knight of Swords, Spirit? Knight of Swords? Yeah, somebody knows that they have to make a choice here in love. Or maybe the choice that has been made by this feminine is not accepted by the masculine and he's coming in for a fight here. Yes, they are upset that somebody has made a choice and gone off for a fresh new beginning for themselves. That's person B who's gone off for a fresh new beginning. And I think somebody wants to now come and fight their partner to say, hey, how dare you? How dare you? Here I am wishing and hoping for a return. And you've gone off and had a new beginning for yourself. Even though right now I don't see anybody making a move. That's what they want to do. They want to come and fight for this connection again. Four of Wands, Spirit. Four of Wands in reverse. Yeah, somebody is realizing what they've lost here, Libra. Somebody is realizing they've lost their 1111, their stability, their happiness, and somebody is wanting to come in with fast communication and hoping to work together again. Okay, so one person has moved on, the other person is coming and wanting some communication here. But right now, I do see there's still a bit of planning, there's still a bit of securing yourselves individually, still keeping a lot of secrets and healing this broken heart. Somebody really wants to heal their broken heart, or the other person's, because they realize that, the sunshine of their life has gone now. They are hoping for a miracle or something to happen, something to get manifested where things can come back together, which I think is person A, who's feeling a lot of love now for person B. But person B is, I think, almost out the door here, Libra. I think they're already out the door. So let's see what this creative new beginning is going to bring in the future. Whether this masculine will actually come and say something, and what the feminine is going to say, I have no clue. But in the first week, I think there's a lot of planning and manifesting and hoping for a miracle going on. Now let's take 3 cards for your new love, Libra. If there is anyone new on your mind, what does this person want, or how are things going to go with this person? One more. Yes, Libra, I think the feminine here, I think, is done playing with any kind of magicians or tricksters. The feminine is now, I think, reaching out and moving towards new connections here. This person is now looking for pure love, new love. So I think the person who has left and not looking back in this dynamic, Libra, is done playing with any magician energy from the past and is wanting to now see what else is out there, maybe going for new beginnings, looking for fresh new love. So let's see what's happening here with this new love. Spirit, what's this magician in reverse for Libra or that person? Yes, somebody is looking for newness, somebody is looking for brand new, sparkling new things in their life. This feminine energy is really glowed up after the separation and after they've healed themselves. really looking good, beautiful, and that people are really eyeing them, and they know that they are capable of having a fresh new beginning, fresh new start with somebody brand new, and not dealing with anyone who can trick them or has been a magician in their past for them. So, Page of Wands, Spirit, Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Yes, they I think leaving this old partnership behind and looking for somebody now who can give them equal give and take, who can actually give the amount that they have put back in for them. They don't know that their old partner is still thinking nicely of them. We got to know because of the dialogue cards, but this feminine, because there's no conversation between the two of you, this person B doesn't even know that person A is even thinking about them. So all they can think about is, okay, so this person tricked me, they did not give me stability, and now I'm going in for new love now and looking for somebody who's going to give me equal give and take. So do they have somebody in mind, Spirit? Who's this new love, this Ace of Cups? Okay, wonderful. One more. I think there are decisions here. There are more than one choice here. I think this feminine is making. She has her sword up now. So from her past mistakes, I think she's learned never to trust anyone right on the go. So even though there's a lot of new love approaching this feminine, I think this feminine is taking her time here, trying to see what all is being offered to me before I can have a restart of my life with somebody else. Okay, let's see if there is anyone special that you have in mind, Libra. There's one person that you are seeing as a potential new love and what they would like to say to you. Okay. This is your old person, I think, still wanting to come back for a rebirth here, feminine. Even though you've turned your back and you're looking for new love, I feel this person is coming back for a rebirth with you. The message I've got is also from a past lover who says, I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. Okay, so that is the reason they haven't come towards you. They want to come towards you with a cup full of love, but they don't know how to apologize to you. But they are actually stalling your growth, feminine. One more card, Spirit, from a new lover who has their eyes on this feminine now. A new lover that could be on the horizon for this feminine here. I don't know, Libra, if this is your old person or your new person, but yes, you could be a mature person here. So they say, I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. This could be somebody that you have had a drink with, maybe a glass of wine or something, and they see you as a woman, an empress. An empress is an older woman who is absolutely stunningly beautiful and just grows more and more beautiful each day. And they're saying, yes, you are absolutely stunning inside and out. So if this is somebody new watching you, please don't have this thing that, you are older now maybe and they will not find new love. I think you have that charisma, that new love or old love, they all find you fabulous. Okay. So yes, get ready for your miracles, Libra, or start manifesting your miracles. Things are going to get hot and spicy soon, it seems. With old lover coming back and you looking gorgeous. Till then, love and light. Namaste. Take care.